Hello and welcome back. 8th of June today, and you're looking at the silver daily chart. I had to give you a shout out about the silver. We had some really interesting developments here, and we hold this position, bullish position, for a long time now. And price we were just waiting for for this, right? For what's coming, what's happening right now. Because up until yesterday and the day before, price was just really relentless on trying to challenge that support zone we have here, the 1636. Take a look at how many attempts there were on that zone, and even consecutive attempts right here. Take a look at all these spikes, right? And I told you that as long as we're staying above that level, and I would even say it's even more profound if price keeps spiking that level, right, but fails to break through. And then, of course, 2 days ago came that breakout. I actually suggested that we are about to see a breakaway. So, but I also mentioned, this stiff and stubborn support level at 1677. You remember this level because it was such a formidable resistance in the past. You can see how many attempts there were here on the upside. And this one, I have to say, a bit worries me. Mostly because, I was hoping for a clear-cut break, and we didn't have that, right? Instead, we had that really spiky move, taking the previous high, believe it or not, by a few cents. But you should also, I should also mention the fact that it's not only that key level, mid-high 1677, but also the 200-day moving average. They converge exactly on that same spot. So this is a significant resistance. Now, my main concern at this point would be for another downside leg, right? Another downside leg, and it's hard to tell what's going to happen if there will be a new downside leg, because I don't really expect that. I expect price to break through eventually, but looking at this spike here, I have to say that's a bit concerned to me. So I decided to take profit off the table, some profit off the table. I think it's a good spot to capitalize on some of the position we have in place. So I reduced the position size, and right now I'm looking forward to see what's going to go down here with this really intense battle that we have with price action against that 1677. Now let me say this: once we clear that level, right, if we break through and we have a daily close, preferably a weekly close, I will go back to increase the position again, right? I will increase the position yet again. But until we break through that level, I think right now we are at the danger zone, so to speak. But it does look really good on the upside. In terms of the big picture, don't forget, we have a solid setup here, really solid one. And I'm saying solid because, take a look at what happened here on that same 1633, right? That's the main key level, the mid-low level, and just from looking at this particular, quite unique behavior, I would suggest that price is missing the last upside segment to complete the full upside move all the way to the upper part of that setup. All right, now, before I'm going to, I wanted to adjust the stop loss level, but I decided to wait with that a little bit longer. I want to have price breaking that 1677 before I'm going to significantly adjust the stop loss level. All right, so there you go. Silver, still very much bullish outlook. See you in the next video.